What if I told you that achieving youthful, radiant skin doesn't have to involve expensive treatments or invasive procedures? For many of us, the quest for tighter, more youthful skin can feel like an endless cycle of disappointment and frustration. We invest in expensive skincare products, only to find that they provide temporary results at best, leaving us searching for the next miraculous solution. But what if I told you there's a natural, accessible, and holistic approach to achieving the skin of your dreams? In this video, we're going to explore how yoga offers a powerful solution to the problem of aging skin. By incorporating specific yoga poses into your daily routine, you can tighten loose skin, reduce wrinkles, and rejuvenate your complexion from the inside out. Say goodbye to the endless search for the fountain of youth and hello to the transformative power of yoga. Let's embark on this journey together. Number 1. Downward Dog Pose. Downward Dog Pose is a foundational yoga posture that offers a multitude of benefits beyond skin tightening. To perform this pose, start on your hands and knees, with your palms flat on the floor beneath your shoulders. As you exhale, lift your knees away from the floor, keeping them slightly bent. Press your palms firmly into the mat and straighten your arms as you lift your hips toward the ceiling, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Keep your spine long and your heels reaching toward the ground. Downward Dog Pose helps improve circulation, tones the arms and legs, strengthens the core, and stretches the spine, hamstrings, and calves. Regular practice can also alleviate back stiffness and fatigue, contributing to a more youthful appearance by promoting overall vitality and well-being. Number 2. Cobra Pose. Cobra Pose is a backbend that not only helps tighten loose skin, but also strengthens the spine and opens the chest. To practice this pose, lie on your stomach with your palms flat on the floor next to your chest. As you inhale, press into your palms and lift your chest off the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Draw your shoulder blades down and back, lengthening through the crown of your head. Keep your legs engaged and pressing into the mat to protect your lower back. Cobra Pose stimulates the abdominal organs, improves digestion, and may help alleviate kidney stone pain. By opening the heart and expanding the chest, this pose can also improve posture and boost confidence, enhancing your overall appearance and presence. Number 3. Upward Facing Dog Pose. Upward Facing Dog Pose is a dynamic backbend that targets the abs, back, and legs, while also toning facial muscles and promoting a youthful complexion. Start by lying on your stomach with your palms flat on the floor beneath your shoulders. As you inhale, press into your palms and lift your chest and thighs off the ground, keeping only your hands and the tops of your feet in contact with the mat. Roll your shoulders back and down, drawing your chest forward and lifting your gaze toward the ceiling. Engage your core muscles and press firmly into the tops of your feet to protect your lower back. Upward Facing Dog Pose strengthens the arms, wrists, and spine, while also stretching the chest and shoulders. By improving posture and body alignment, this pose can enhance your overall appearance and confidence, helping you feel and look your best. Number 4. Plank Pose. Plank Pose is a full-body exercise that not only strengthens the muscles, but also promotes spinal stability and re-energizes the body. To practice this pose, start in a push-up position with your hands directly beneath your shoulders and your legs extended behind you. Toes, tuck it under. Engage your core muscles and align your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your gaze slightly forward and your neck in line with your spine. Hold the pose for 25-30 seconds, breathing deeply and maintaining a steady, controlled breath. Plank Pose strengthens the arms, shoulders, chest, and core muscles, while also improving balance and posture. By toning the abdominal muscles and increasing spinal stability, this pose can contribute to a flatter stomach and a more youthful physique. Number 5. Facial Yoga Exercises. In addition to body poses, facial yoga exercises can help tone facial muscles and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. One such exercise is palming, which involves gently rubbing the palms together to generate heat and then placing them over closed eyes for several breaths. This helps relax and rejuvenate the delicate skin around the eyes, reducing puffiness and dark circles. Another effective technique is the Great Rub, which involves using the fingertips to massage the forehead, cheeks, and jawline in circular motions. This helps increase blood circulation and lymphatic drainage, promoting a brighter, more youthful complexion. By incorporating these facial yoga exercises into your daily routine, you can strengthen facial muscles, improve circulation, and reduce the signs of aging, resulting in a more radiant and youthful appearance over time.